Take a moment to check out the 2022 Chevrolet Malibu. The luxurious Malibu blends midsize comfort with agile handling, advanced safety features, and sculpted looks. It strikes the perfect balance between want and need. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, 4-cylinder engine, keyless start, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, steering wheel audio controls, Wi-Fi hotspot, Bluetooth connection, stability control. Delight in the drive while advanced technology protects and entertains your most precious cargo. Get into the Malibu.